I'm out here enjoying myself, enjoying the weather, riding my bike out here in Cali, baby. So what you guys looking at right there is my bike that I got strapped down to my truck, and I got a bike case covering it, you know, from the weather and stuff like that. I don't want my bike to look all rusty and, you know, and look horrible. I'm gonna show you guys how I got it hooked up. I got my bike lock going through the frame of the bike, and I got it attached to this bar right here. So that's how I got it connected, but nobody can take it off the back of my truck. And I also can feel if they're on the back of my truck if I'm in the bump. So I just showed you guys how I hooked up my bike to my truck. So I got this idea from another truck driver who I saw hook his bike up to his truck. So I hooked mine up to my truck, and I'm about to get on my bike and I'm about to roll out to Walmart. It's about 3 miles from here. It's a good exercise as well, and I ain't got to pay for Uber or a Lyft. So I'm out.
I've been hustling hard for a while now, getting money for a while now. These niggas hating for a while now, these hoes on me for a while now. Blowing it down for a while now, hustling hard for a while now, getting money for a while now. These niggas hating, I'ma blow them down. Bitch, I make a check, I'ma break the